under the radar.
Exact. We are a mile out.
Don't get compromised. Just stop and go. Call you when I need you.
Roger.
Watcher to Yankee, eyes on the base, approaching now.
Copy, Watcher. Shit's about to get real. Keep a low profile.
Yuri should have sent you his location by now.
Affirmative. Arklov Administrative Building, near the hangar. Look for a satellite dish on the roof.
Copy. Dish on the roof.
Yuri's delegation will be looking for him. You'll have to be quick.
Quick and dirty. Neither of us can afford to be compromised.
I know Arklov well. Tell me what you see and I'll do my best.
Approaching the admin building.
So far, so good. Sliding glass doors and the flags over the entrance, Laswell.
Got a problem. Need a security keycard to access.
Good thing you're a spy.
Snag a card from an officer. Anyone entering or exiting likely has one.
Good call. Look for an officer leaving the building.
See a major leaving the entrance. He's not alone.
Wait till he's alone and do what needs to be done for his keycard. Could be a good place to catch him alone.
Пока ничего.
Противник может действовать скрытно.
Хорошая позиция. Мы готовы.
Принято. Продолжайте наблюдение.
В данное время идет установка обновления.
Когда будет?
He's down. Target eliminated. Keycard secured.
He took one for the team.
Had to be done.
That one's on Makarov, not you.
Yuri better make this worth our while.
Кто это?
Something's up.
Try to reposition.
I'm in.
Yuri said he'd be in the storage room down the hall, to the right of the entrance.
Down the hall, right of the entrance. Copy that. Making entry. Yuri.
Watcher, I'm impressed, but not surprised. Any issues?
Several.
Collateral damage?
I hope it's worth their sacrifice. What do you have?
FSB files in Barkov's research.
Chemical weapons.
As a soldier, Makarov was enamored with their potential.
Can they be neutralized?
I'm giving you everything we know.
Why?
Russia and the West face similar threats from within. It is imperative we collaborate to control them. Противник моего оппонента — мой союзник.
Nikolai бы совсем согласился.
Он настоящий патриот. The Kremlin is not behind these chemicals.
That doesn't mean Makarov isn't working with Moscow.
There are extremists in both our governments.
Come again, Bravo. Bravo, your signal's weak. Come again.
In the blind, we have 2 missiles incoming to the Arklov base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out.
It's not.
There's another one coming.
We have to go. We cannot be seen together. Laswell, go. That's it.
Laswell, come in. Are you alright?
For now, missile attack, chemical warheads.
Get to the high ground. Look for a way up to the roof for extraction.
Need an ETA, Nick.
Circling now. People are dying down there. Hurry, Laswell. Is Yuri with you?
Negative, we split up.
He's a survivor, like you.
Still pushing up, Nick. Hold for me.
I'm here, Laswell.